All right, so here you're gonna learn how to install what?
Here we're learning how to install a window onto one of these commercial doors. So step one, you want to make sure you have your double-sided sticky foam tape around. This will help make sure that when the door does close, it doesn't have too many vibrations and actually crack the window.
Okay.
So you want to peel off all the four sides here from your sticky tape. And you grab the glass.
You grab the glass. Okay.
Now, when you guys set the glass in, you want to make sure it's up against all four corners, and then you want to actually click it into place.
Perfect.
Once you have your window set in place, you want to go ahead and take your sticky tape and do one more layer around the edges, just because when you put your second frame in, this metal piece would be sitting up against the glass. So we want to make sure that there's some padding in there so that way it doesn't actually force against the glass.
Okay. So we're putting it so that there's no, whenever that door slams, it doesn't break, right?
Correct.
Double-sided sticky tape, foam tape.
All right, so now once you've got all the sticky tape on both sides, you want to, it's like I said, it's a two-piece frame, so you want to put one piece on one side, the other piece on the other side. Once you have them clamped together from here, you can actually start putting your screws in and tightening in the frame.
Okay.
Pro tip, make sure that your screws are always on the inside of the door facing into the building. This way nobody can just come up from the outside and screw them and get into the building.